So this bird in my tree is amazing. I don't know if you can hear some of the sounds he's making. Hey, you are a cool bird. Thanks for visiting me. My cat is watching you. What kind of bird is that? Oh, I like that sound. I think I found him. Yeah. What a beautiful bird. Thank you, Mr. Bird. Whoever you are. Thank you for visiting me. Did you like that birdie? Yeah? Is he your friend? I think so.